Can I hit a penny with the pellet gun? Alrighty, so I got the camera setting up by the pennies say they are. And now, let's see if we can hit it. Ooh, I think I got it. Okay, so this is where... Oh! Hang on, let me zoom out. It split the penny in half. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can't find the other piece. I can't tell if that's a piece or a root. That's a root. Hang on. Here's the other piece. Oh my goodness. That's how the penny was. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video with your friends.